Chinese calligraphy is the writing of Chinese characters as an art form, combining purely visual art and the interpretation of the literary meaning. I'm going to show you how to learn this traditional and beautiful art in a simple way.
The Chinese character we will be writing today is A, which means love.
Every character is written using a few strokes. When you are writing the strokes, the brush is in a vertical position. When you press down the brush, the stroke becomes thicker, and when you lift up the brush, the stroke becomes thinner. By altering the pressure placed on the brush, you can achieve the signature art style of Chinese calligraphy.
Let's take a closer look